work order here for a Frigidaire dishwasher. Residents saying whenever they hit start, it's not doing anything. Check the breaker. Breaker's on. Power to the unit. So I believe it's the door switch. Door switch is bad. So got a new door switch right there. And we're gonna put it in. So power's off now to the unit. So here we go. It's a T20. You want to take out these 6 bolts on top and just unplug it and place the door switch. Pretty easy repair. Okay, once you have the 6 bolts out, just flip the door down like this, and then 2 more T20 screws right here to get the old switch out. Okay, and we just have 2 wire harnesses here to pull off. 1, 2. Okay, it's the old switch. Get the new one out of the bag. New switch, same thing. Get the new one. Plug it in. Okay. Get it lined up. Okay, switch is all in. I'll lift this up. Just like that. And we'll put our 6 screws back. Okay, 6 screws are back. Now we'll just turn the power back on, test out the new door switch. Alright, turn the breaker back on. I already got lights blinking, that's a good sign. So we'll go ahead and cancel that out. Put it on normal wash and start. And it's going to drain out any water that was in the unit. So that's pretty much it, just a door switch. No power before. New switch, got power. These little switches in here go bad. I mean, you can ohm them out also. Push it in and see if you have continuity. But that's it. So see you on the next one. Comment, like, subscribe. See ya.